Can't find Ome TV on the Play Store? Don't worry, I'll show you a quick and easy way to download and install it. First, open your browser and search for Ome TV Up to Down. Tap the official Up to Down website and press the download latest version button. Scroll a bit and select the version, just choose the top one for the easiest option, then tap download. Once the file is downloaded, open it. If your phone blocks the install, tap settings and enable allow from the source. Go back, tap the file again, then press install. Wait a few seconds and you're done. Ome TV is now installed on your device. And remember, if this video helped you fix something or saved you from wasting money, here's an easy way to support the channel. You'll find an Amazon link in the description. Bookmark it and use it whenever you shop. Whether you're buying tech or everyday essentials, a small portion of what you already spend helps support the work here at no extra cost to you. And trust me, Amazon won't even notice. If you want to support directly, you can also buy me a coffee or check out the phone accessories store link below. Totally optional. That's it. Thanks for the support. Stay sharp and I'll see you in the next video.